Hello everyone, Jairam here. In this video, we are going to learn the next some few topics of list. As in the first video of this list, we have already covered what is list, how you can create the list, how you can use the list constructor. So those things you have learned in the first part of the this list. Now in the second part, we are going to learn about, first of all, get the length of a list, then how we can change the list items, like we have already one list and how can we can change the items, how you can add items in that list, then how to remove some items if you're looking to remove some items, then how you can remove those. And also the last one in this part two one is how we can loop through, means we can iterate a list. So let us see. So the first thing, find length, list length. So here you can see we can use the length function, len function, determine number of items in a list. Like here there are, how many items are there? 1 2 3 4 5. So if we print this one len, it should print 5 items. So let us see with one example. So I'm taking the previous one, this colors one list, and in demo 2 I'm just pasting this one. And to find the length of the string, list, print, if we write len function and then list name, right? And if we run this code, you'll get there are 5. So because there are 5 elements in this list, 1 2 3 4 5, right? This is the length of the list. Now change list item, how you can change the items in a list. So the first one is example, the same example I used the colors, and suppose I want to change this blue to indigo. I have written the index, the first index. This is the 0, this is the first. And this first I need to change with the indigo. So we'll have to supply the index and then put the value what you're looking at that location. So let us see with an example. Suppose I'm looking to change this one. So what I'll do, I will write here that list name, then bracket, big bracket, then the position. First position I'm changing. At the first position there is a blue, but I'm looking this should be purple, right? So if you print this list, so my new list should contain the purple in place of blue. So let us see. Now you see red, then purple, then green, then yellow, then pink. Now I am not able to see the blue. In place of blue there is purple. So I have replaced the previous item at the position 1 with purple. Hope clear? Now suppose we are looking to change a range of items, like here this is the 0 1 2. I am looking to change these two values, blue, green with cyan and orange. So we can do this one. Let us see this also with an example. I'm just commenting this, and I'm putting here and column, for example it's a 2, right? And I'm taking two elements here also. One is purple and another is orange, right? Close. So what I did, colors 1 to 2 will be this one value. So here one is blue, and at the second position is the green. So my new list will be red, purple, orange, yellow and pink. So let us see red, purple, orange, green, yellow, pink. So basically here what is happening at this position 1 to 2, this is if you count here, the 2 is here because the element number is 2, and its a starting index is 1. So at one place it will put these two values, purple and orange. So blue will be replaced with these two, purple and orange, and green will be extended to, it will to right. So basically we have inserted two items here in place of blue. So this is what happening here. Now next, insert items. How we can insert items? Previous method we see how you can change the item. Now how, suppose that I want to add more items in this list, how you can do this one? So there is a function insert, right? So how you can use this one? Let me comment out this one, and I am using this colors dot insert, right? Then there is a position, second position, and there is purple, right? So at the second position here, purple will be inserted and it will move to the right. So let us see. So if you see, red, blue, and second position purple is added and green moved to the right. So we have inserted one new item here and it will move to the right, right? Hope it's clear. Now add list item. Suppose that I am looking to add more items in list. So how you can do that? I'm using the same list colors, and the first thing I'm looking to append item means it will append at the end of the list. So suppose that I am here I'm writing colors dot append, right, and then the value orange. So let us see. So if you see here, red, blue, green, yellow, pink, red, blue, green, yellow, pink, and this orange is added to the end of the list, right? So this is how append works. But suppose that if you are to looking to insert the an item at a particular location, so it will, we can write in this way. So how this will work? Let us do this also, and also clear the screen so for that better visibility. And colors dot insert, I'm inserting as position 1 and the value is purple, right? So let me run this program. So what is happening here? Red, blue, red, purple. First position purple is added. Now blue, green, yellow shifted to the right. This shifted to the right. This is not replaced. Existing elements will move to the right, and in that position there will be new item purple, right? Then also we can extend, like we have one list, these colors, and I want to add another list in this list, so we can use the extend. How this syntax works, like here is the original the list, and I'm writing extend, and then the new list which I am looking to extend, basically append with this list. So how this will work? Suppose that I am creating a new list, colors 2 equal to orange, then I'm writing colors dot extend, and the list which I am looking to extend with this one, the 2, right? So if you see, I have extended colors, so I'll print the colors. So see what is happening here. Previous one is this one, and in this one orange is added. Suppose it's a more item. I'm adding cyan, one more color, and if I run, you see orange and cyan has been added, appended to the previous colors list, right? So this term is known as, if you are passing one list within another, it will extend, right? So it's clear, hope you. Now remove items from a list, right? How we can remove? So let me copy this one so that and comment this, and also comment this one, and now I'm putting here the colors. So here the first one is colors dot remove. You can pass the one specified item and you can remove. So suppose that I am colors dot remove, I'm passing the element name, suppose that is red. So if you see the output, red is not here, so remove will remove the first element, right? Now the second function is you can specify a particular index, and you can use the pop function of list. So how this works? Colors dot pop, and suppose that I'm looking to remove the index at index to green. So let us see, clear the screen, and now see at green is no more in this list. So this is how I have removed. And if I just not put any index, then see what's happening. It's not set. Colors dot pop, then red, blue, green, yellow. So basically it's removed the one of the item, that's why it's not showing here. So see here, pink is removed, pink is not here. So if you write pop without passing any index, it will remove the last element, right? Same thing is here, remove the last item. Colors 0, delete. There is another method we can delete an item, is del colors, and then I can pass the index. Suppose that I'm deleting the first red one, and if I run this program, you see what is the wrong? Basically here we have to pass the bigger bracket. Okay, so I'm clearing the screen, and then you see red is no more here, only remainings are blue, green, yellow and pink, right? So this is how we can also remove an element. Now there is two most important, is the del and clear, these two. So what del does, if you are writing del and del colors, it means you are completely removing this list, right? See what is happening. I have removed the list. Now I'm trying to print. So it's giving the error, name colors is not defined, right? So it completely removed the list. Now what clear does? So if I write colors dot clear, so this clear will just emptize the list, do not completely delete, it will be a empty list. So let me clear the screen, and then see, you see the empty list is here. So this is the bigger difference between del and clear, right? So I hope it's clear. Now one important activity we generally do with the loop list is looping, means iterating a list. So how we can do this one? Suppose this is the color list we have, and I want to get each color from this list. So what I need to do this one? So I'm just commenting this one also, right? So for color in colors, print color, right? So this is how we can iterate over a list. You see red, blue, green, yellow, pink printed. So this is how we can use the for loop to iterate over a list. Now one very important way to iterate over a list is through index number. So how can you use the index number? So for that, first we need to know about the length of the list, and then I should have one range of the list. So range and len. This range and len both function will be used if you are looking to iterate using the index number. So how this will work? Let us see with an example. I'm just commenting this one so that it will be more clear. 1 second. So see here, for I in first range, then len for what? Colors, right? Print colors I, right? So this will give the length, and range will generate the numbers from 0 to that length, right? So see the output. If I run, it will do the same thing, printing all the elements. So this is how we can use the index and these two functions, len and range, to iterate over a list. We can also iterate over the list using while loop, but it's not recommended. Generally for the shortcut and if those things, we always use the for one. But you can see how we can use the while. Here we need to put one incrementer here, I we are taking, and keep incrementing I, and then till I is less than length of that list length, we'll keep printing. So how this will work? Let us see with an example this one also. So I am taking one variable I equal to 0 while I is less than len list, colors, right? Then print colors, then index I, and I need I need to be increase this one by 1. I plus 1 equal to 1, right? So this, I'm just clearing this one, and now see it's printing all the elements. So this is how we can use the while statement to print the list items. So I hope how we can add item, insert item, modify list items, remove, and iterate over the list with using for and while both. So hope this is clear to you, and thank you for watching this video. In the next video, I'm going to come with remaining part of the list, like list comprehension and like sorting of list. So those things we'll see, and hope you enjoyed this video. And if you still not subscribed my channel, subscribe. I'm coming with new stuffs in this list, and hope you will enjoy that one also. So see you soon. Have a great time.